Hello everyone. Good evening everyone.
Good evening.
Today is a book readers day and we have with us amazing experts, amazing authors and amazing kids with us, and I welcome Kavya Mahendru. She is the published author, and I also welcome Purti Batra, an artist and also a writer, and Ekansh Agarwal, who is also a published author. So welcome all, and over to you, Kavya.
Hello everyone and happy book readers day. And today I have two amazing authors and we are going to do something. We are going to discuss about books as well. So uh, so I have even written a lot of books. I've written a book of short stories, Kavya's Bag of Short Stories, this one. And I've been a special invitee in two of the books, Golden Apples of God and Never Cease to Amaze.
I have your book, and from
Yeah,
today I am going to start to read this book. Yes,
I hope
Kavya.
you would like the stories.
Yes,
And
amazing. Because books are our best friend, and I really love reading books, especially authored by kids.
yes,
Yeah, and
and
yeah,
also yes, Ikansh is one of my classmates, and he is even an author. So Ikansh, would you like to tell us about your books?
Yes, I have written two books and published them on Kindle. They are a series. So the first book is called Clue Hunters: The Missing Dinosaurs. In that, a ghost goes for they are told to go back to and someone has stolen the dinosaurs, so they have to see who has taken them. In the second book, called It's a Memory, the three friends are brought back by the with two unexpected where he thinks will get lost. So they have to figure out who forgot everything. So just there. I am hoping to read the next book very soon. It might be released on Kindle in a few months' time.
that's amazing, Ekansh. And yes, पूर्ति के बारे में हम जानना चाहेंगे. पूर्ति, आपको क्या पसंद है? और मैं पहले मैं पूर्ति का एक वीडियो दिखाना चाहूंगी, बिकॉज शी इज एन अमेजिंग आर्टिस्ट. बहुत ही अच्छी आर्टिस्ट है पूर्ति. हाय
Thank
पूर्ति,
you so much.
हियर इज योर वीडियो. So please, artist and yes, Abha, can you share about the art and Purti if you can about this art?
Yes, yes, of course. Pooty is inclined towards art since she was a very small child, and she loves doing this because due to some unfortunate reasons, she is not able to express herself in words properly. So the way of expressing herself, she has decided and she has chosen to be her art, and she expresses her feelings, her emotions, her thoughts through her arts. Now she is pursuing her graduation in fine arts. She's learning them. She's learning new techniques. She's teaching small children and doing her education as well. She has she actually wanted to write something also. So she wrote her first story with Soch Rangmanch, and that is published, and the books are now available on Amazon. All can go and read it and have a look at it, though I don't have a hard copy of it right now, but I would definitely share with you all soon. Bhavicha, nobody is audible to us.
Okay, so that's amazing, wonderful. Kavya, आप बताइए. You are an also you also like art and right? You also do,
Yes.
yeah. Please share about your journey of being artist.
Mm, I like doing drawings and sketchings, and also my favorite kind of art are doodles, where you can like draw some imaginary characters, and it's really fun. And also I like doing crafts as well. I make some crafts at home whenever I'm free, and yesterday only I like designed my table with like painting it. So and I love to like color and paint the most.
That's excellent. Because when we write books, if we can have, we can draw and illustrate the same thing as well. So accomplished हो जाते हैं आप जब आपको लिखना भी आता है and illustrate करना भी आता है. So it's a great, amazing combination. Wonderful, Kavya. Ekansh, please share about your book and your passion writing.
Well, I was inspired to write by my brother. He reads a lot of
Okay.
books, loves reading, so I was inspired. So I started writing. After
एकांश, आपका माइक थोड़ा सा
I think he's not audible
आ
properly.
जाओगे थोड़ा, आई मीन देखो जरा सेट करो. या
now, is it okay?
यस.
Yes.
So he reads a lot of books. So I was inspired by that. And it's my story. After reading it, I started writing a lot of books. And then, uh, and then after a few months, the first book was finally published. Then I thought to write of another book. So after
That's amazing. So okay, that's amazing, Kavya. And Ekansh, आप सब बहुत talented है, and at Root Skills, what we do, we try to create an ecosystem for the multiple skills development. And you all talented youth and kids are connected with us, and I'm really proud and I'm very glad that Kavya is associated with us, and you are also now. And yes, Purti also I know from since 2 3 years. I mean, when we last I searched her page and I found her, like beautiful artwork, wonderful artworks. So okay, let's talk about the golden apples of the god. Yes, Kavya.
Yes, I even have it.
So thank you, Kavya, for this beautiful gift to me, and please do share about this.
Yeah, there are a lot of there are some stories in this book of me and of multiple authors as well. I am a special invitee in this book.
Please would like to listen any of the story, your story, any of the story from your book.
Okay.
We all, Hannah Purti and
Yes, of course.
Vikansh.
Yes.
क्या बात है. I'm so proud. Yes,
Okay. So I'll just take out a story.
yes, yes. Any of the story, because today is a book readers day, and it's good to start from you only.
I am going to tell my favorite story from my book, which is the Talking Specs. So there was a boy named Rohit, and he had moon-shaped spectacles. His mom always said him that his spectacles were magical, but he ignored his mom and did not believe her. So one day while he was going to school, he fall into a puddle, like, yeah, the puddle, and his specs even fall down. So he was all muddy, and he started to find his spectacles, but he could not find them anywhere. So he decided to go to a school without his spectacles. But he could not see most of the things without his spectacles because his number could be like a lot. So his teacher made him sit in the front row, and all his friends started laughing at him because he looked very weird without his spectacles. Some of his best friends, they asked Rohit that where are his spectacles. So Rohit said that he lost him. He fall down in a puddle and he lost him. So his friends and Rohit started to find his spectacles, but could not find it anywhere. They looked the whole town, they looked everywhere, but could not find it. So they went into a restaurant for a break, and there they saw something that you can never see like in the real world, something really weird. They saw Rohit spectacles having a party in the restaurant, eating burgers, pizzas, cookies, cold drinks, and like enjoying itself. Rohit was shocked and so was his friends. They went to the spectacles. The spectacles were really, really angry. Why did you leave me in the puddle? I'm so angry with you. I don't want to come with you. So Rohit apologized to his spectacles and got a moral that we should always take care of our things and like things, even if they are non-living or living, we should care for them even if they are spectacles. That was the story.
Kavya, it's amazing to hear this story. And Ekansh, now please share about your story. Your मतलब whatever you have written. कुछ थोड़ा सा कुछ lines.
Okay. So, in the first book, the three friends go to have a shop called Everything Means Everything.
Ikansh, we are not able to hear you, beta.
Now is it okay?
Yes, yes.
Better. It's a little
थोड़ा
bit
पास
better.
में रहो है
तो
ना?
माइक के पास आ जाओ बेटा.
Yes, very nice.
Yes. So, they have a shop called Everything Means Everything. So, all three of them work together at that one shop. But one day, some mysterious person came to the shop to buy something. But then a note fell out of his pocket. One of the friends tried to chase get it, but they could not find the man again. So the friends decided to read the note themselves. It gave them some directions and told them to come follow these directions. So they followed the directions the next day, and they got led to a secret base of a secret agency called the Clue Hunters. The Clue Hunters had a special mission for the three friends. The mission was to go back in time to the Jurassic period and see why all the dinosaurs were missing. So the three friends Ray, Echo, and Febson went through a time machine to the period of the dinosaurs. There they found they they stayed there for some time, but then one day they saw a mysterious flying object, and it and then as they looked closer, they saw that it was a dinosaur. It could try to get the dinosaur, but then he saw that it was artificial and there were holes on it. So he was very confused. But then the artificial dinosaur made him fall down. So then the next day they saw that it had returned and it was carrying a lot of real dinosaurs on its back. So, so all the three friends tried to climb onto the dinosaur and they caught the person who was riding it. So then they went back to the present and they the show. In this So in the second book, the Never Ending Snow, the Clue Hunters were called back for another mission. The about a place which was experienced for the past 3 years. So they had to go there and they found a footprints of a person. So then they saw that, so then they got to the person and then they finally caught him and took him back to the base. So that's all.
Excellent, Ekansh. And I can see in your background so many books are there, right? Very bright,
Yes.
वंडरफुल, ब्रिलियंट। बहुत ही अच्छा लग रहा है ये सब देख के। और पूर्ति, आप कुछ बोलेंगे हमारे साथ, कुछ शेयर करोगे अपने आर्ट वर्क अगर आपके पास है? यस, यू कैन ट्राई,
About what?
है ना?
I I'm thinking too much of stories about animals and people. About in the approach, this story is feel easy and more happiness. How about
Excellent,
this
excellent,
story animals? She
brilliant.
thinks she loves to create stories about animals, people, things around the world,
Wow.
and then she put them into illustration
Yes, yeah,
and
I
make
understood
art out of it.
what she said. I understood. Excellent. Keep it up, Purti. And really would love to read your books as well. So maybe in next book readers day, है ना, हम देखेंगे कि आपकी भी बुक्स कोई पब्लिश होके हमारे हाथ में आ जाए,
Sure.
right?
She'll try
That's
her
great.
best. You also
And
publish your book.
यस, और
Uh,
आर्ट, आपके जो आर्ट वर्क है ना, वो काव्या एंड आकांश, ये सब यू कैन, यू नो, वी ऑल कैन कोलैबोरेट। सो आर्ट वर्क फॉर इलस्ट्रेशंस एंड फॉर, है ना, वी हैव अमेजिंग राइटर्स हियर, सो वी कैन डू
Yes, of
दैट, राइट?
course.
या,
They together can make a book with the illustrations and the writing part both.
yes, that's very nice, amazing. Okay, so Kavya, what do you think about the art and literature, writing and all? मतलब आपको पसंद है ना? आप भी करते हैं ना कुछ? आपने क्या-क्या बनाया है? बताओ अभी क्या सीख रहे हैं आप?
मैं अभी आर्ट सीख रही हूँ। अभी मैंने क्यूब भी सीखी हुई है, 3x3 क्यूब सॉल्व करनी। And
Okay.
also, as I said, I love writing as well, and I'm writing more novels and stories. I even want to write another Harry Potter of 1 lakh words or
Okay.
above that.
Amazing.
Good.
Excellent. And
Great goals. May you achieve it soon, Kavya.
Thank you.
वेरी नाइस। सो एकांश, आप मुझे बताओ, अभी आपने नेक्स्ट क्या सोचा है? कोई और भी बुक्स के बारे में, या तो और कितना टाइम निकालते हो आप ये सब, आई मीन किस तरह से बैलेंस करते हो? क्योंकि खेलना भी ज़रूरी होता है बच्चों के लिए, है ना? आपका माइक म्यूट है बेटा।
yeah, so can you hear now?
यस।
Okay. So these days I haven't been able to write as much. So I had written a few pages of the third book of Clue Hunters. So I have written a few pages. I'm planning to resume writing about 1 2 days later. So hopefully the next book will be released in another few months.
That's great, and we'll definitely look forward to read your book as well, because my taste is, you know, मुझे बच्चे जो लिखते हैं ना, चाइल्ड ऑथर्स होते हैं, उनकी बुक्स रीड करने का ज़्यादा पसंद आता है। तो डेफिनेटली ये, और मुझे आर्ट वर्क भी बहुत 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 पसंद है। तो अगर स्क्रीन शेयर कर सकूँ तो मैंने पूर्ति का आर्ट मुझे बताना था। ओके, मीनवाइल काव्या, एक और स्टोरी या कुछ कुछ अच्छा कुछ बता दो आप, जब तक मैं कुछ शेयर करती हूँ, राइट? यस काव्या।
I wanted to tell on my favorite books as well. My favorite author is actually Enid Blyton, and she has written the series of Secret Seven. And this book of Secret Seven is my favorite one. It says "Shop with the Secret Seven." So I love this one, and it's about mystery of how the seven kids in the Secret Seven group solves the mystery of disappearing dogs and the dog stealers who are stealing dogs. So it's really interesting, and I would suggest this book for all of the kids to read it, as it's amazing. And Ekansh, would you even like to tell us that what is your favorite books and genres?
My favorite book is one of the Harry Potter series, definitely. Like I don't favor one book specifically. So I like the genre of mystery, suspense, and magic the most. So
Even I have read one of the books of Harry Potter, the first one, Philosopher's Stones.
Please.
Tell.
I am Shakib about my favorite stories from my child. These Mary handbird stories. My favorite. My
She's
home.
fond of animal stories. Bhavisha?
Yes. Okay. Okay. Yes. Please share. Purti.
She was sharing that she loves to read animal stories. The stories
That's
from her
amazing.
childhood.
So, Purti, you are getting one gift from Kavya as well for this Book Readers Day. As you came live, the way I got, मुझे भी मिली है ना?
Wow.
Kavya से. So, Kavya, would you like to gift it to your new friend Purti, right?
Yes.
है ना? We are book friends, है ना? हम सब books से जुड़े हैं.
Books, right?
मतलब हमें बुक्स बहुत पसंद है ना. सो काव्या, आपकी ओर से आप गिफ्ट देना चाहोगे ना पूर्ति को, राइट? एंड एकांश का मुझे नहीं पता. एकांश, आप भी दोगे एक बुक गिफ्ट? और मैं भी कुछ करूंगी, मैं भी दे दूंगी तीनों के लिए कुछ ना कुछ गिफ्ट, राइट? ओके,
Thank you so much, Kavya and Ekansh.
हाँ. सो ओके,
Thank you from Purti's side.
पूर्ति देखो, ये आपका आर्ट वर्क है इधर, है ना?
Yes.
Is it right? Purti's
Yeah.
artwork, right?
This is your
Okay.
work.
कैसा है काव्या, ये कैसा लग रहा है आपको?
Which are so my work. Which writes at the core. It's really about the sheet chart and pretty face displayed of non-catholic.
ब्यूटीफुल. आपने जो बनाया, आपकी जो फीलिंग्स है, आपका जो मतलब थॉट है, वो अमेजिंग है. आई मीन अमेजिंग. यू आर वेरी क्रिएटिव. एक्सेलेंट. वेरी नाइस.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. Thank you for everything. Thank you.
Yeah, I'm so glad. कि पूर्ति, आपका इतना अच्छा आर्ट वर्क है ना? काव्या, कितना सुंदर है ना ये सब, काव्या?
Yes.
और आपका भी कोई आर्ट वर्क है तो काव्या प्लीज, अगर वहीं आसपास है तो जरा बता सकते हो आप भी, है ना?
One second.
या आराम से ले लो. एकांश, आपके पास भी अगर कुछ है शेयर करने को तो बता सकते हो आप भी. म्यूट पे है एकांश, म्यूट पे है.
Yes. So I even like to make illustration. I can't hear anyone.
Hello Kavya, yes, we are here.
Okay. I even like making illustrations, and I made this one. So if you can see.
Venus.
Can you bring it a bit
Wow.
closer,
It's
Kavya?
not very
Yes.
sorry. This.
I can see.
The shot. This.
Yes. और थोड़ा
थोड़ा पास लाओ, Kavya.
Be got the kappa. The shot.
हाँ, right.
Very nice.
Hmm.
Be nice. Sorry.
Very nice, Kavya.
Okay.
Be nice.
काव्या,
The shot.
आप नरेट करोगे आपने जो बनाया है, कैसे बनाया, कितना टाइम लगा, है ना, किस तरह से बनाया?
Yes. So ये इलस्ट्रेशन मैंने अपने ड्राइंग क्लास में बनाई थी, जो मेरी एक्स्ट्रा वाली ड्राइंग क्लास होती है उसमें. So it took like, it was difficult to make characters, but I learned it, so it was like easy for me to make it. Also, I participated in a drawing competition where I won 3rd prize.
Great.
I'll show you that drawing once.
Nice.
Yes, Kavya.
Yes. One minute.
Okay, so meanwhile she is searching, है ना? पूर्ति, आपको म्यूजिक भी पसंद होगा, right? Music.
Bhavisha, I would like to share here that Purti plays very good sitar.
क्या बात है! That's a big
I
news.
missed to share that video with you where she was playing sitar.
क्या बात
Though
है!
due to pandemic, her sitar was somewhere else, so she was not able to practice it for the past 1.5 years. But she
Can you
plays
WhatsApp
sitar.
me? So I would
And
like
I'll
to
share a small video of that soon with you.
अगर आप अभी भी शेयर करोगे तो I would like to share on a screen.
I'll share it with you. Just give me 5 minutes. I'll share it.
आप मुझे WhatsApp करें and we'll do that. Okay. And yes, एकांश, आप कुछ शेयर करना चाहोगे, एकांश?
Yes, I have made some sketches of minions.
Okay.
So let me just get them out.
Yeah, sure. Okay.
Yes. Bhavisha ma'am, I have found my drawing. So this was the drawing in which I won the 3rd prize.
Beautiful, काव्या, एकदम सुंदर है and क्या?
Really beautiful. This is about COVID, right, Kavya?
Yes.
Wonderful. It's wonderful.
It's wonderful.
Right.
And okay. So काव्या, देखो ये जो पूर्ति है ना, उनका ये कुछ वीनिंग में कुछ है. Please आप आभा शेयर करेंगे?
Yeah, I would like to share this. This was a painting. This was a competition by Soch. The topic was freedom, and Purti made this. It is showing that though she has a lot of restrictions physically,
Yes.
unfortunately, but still she wants to be free in her thoughts, and
Sure.
she wants to live freely, not
Yes.
bounded by the laws made by the society कि हम ये नहीं कर सकते और ये नहीं कर सकते, हमें ये problem है तो हम ये नहीं कर सकते. No, I want to fly out of this
Yeah.
cage of the society rules and norms. So, and there
Yes.
she won the first prize.
Excellent, पूर्ति. Congratulations, काव्या. कैसा लगा इनको बताओ सब? Congratulate पूर्ति, everyone.
ये बहुत ही अच्छी ड्राइंग है.
एंड यस, है ना, अगर हम कुछ नहीं कर पाते हैं तो हमें ये देखना है कि हम दूसरा क्या कर पाते हैं, राइट? क्योंकि अगर जैसे मैं ऑथर नहीं हूँ, है ना, मैं इतनी अच्छी आर्टिस्ट नहीं हूँ, बट मैं रीड तो कर सकती हूँ ना. और मैं आपका जो ये बुक है उनको रीड करके एंजॉय कर सकती हूँ. आपके आर्टवर्क को आई कैन फील, क्योंकि मैं इतना अच्छा आर्टवर्क नहीं बना सकती हूँ.
जो आप कर सकते हो भविष्य, वो और कोई नहीं कर सकता. टू प्रमोट दीज किड्स,
मुझे बड़ा अच्छा लग रहा है कि बिकॉज देखो, हर चीज हम नहीं कर सकते, तो बट वी आर फ्री टू डू वॉट एवर वी कैन, राइट? सो यही अभी इंडिपेंडेंस डे भी आ रहा है, सो हम चाहेंगे कि फ्रीडम ऑफ थॉट, फ्रीडम फ्रॉम पॉल्यूशंस, है ना, फ्रीडम फ्रॉम प्रेजुडाइस, फ्रीडम फ्रॉम जेलेसी, and
Exactly.
freedom. You know, we want freedom from all this.
All these things. Norms and bonds of the society उन सबसे
So
freedom हो, so that
that will
people
be
will, at least
possible
the
with
upcoming
the old
generation can
talented
achieve it.
kids and elders. हम सब
Yeah.
मिलके ये कर सकते हैं. And youth, yes, Purti. And Purti, आपके बेस्ट फ्रेंड्स में कोई नाम बताना चाहोगे जो आप आपके फ्रेंड हो जिनको आप अपना आर्ट वर्क दिखाते हो कोई?
She shares it with her schoolmates, and usually on Instagram she's available. And if anybody wants to buy her painting, she's available there all the time.
मैं आपकी
Bhavishya, I've shared her sitar video with you. You
ओके,
can
मैं
check out.
देखती हूँ. एंड काव्या, आप अपना इंस्टा हैंडल और सब बताइए और कैसे आपकी बुक ले सकते हैं. कोई किसी को अगर बुक परचेस करनी हो तो प्लीज थोड़ा शेयर करें.
अगर आपको बुक परचेज करनी है सो आप अमेजोन पे जाकर अगर आप सर्च करोगे काव्या's बैग ऑफ शॉर्ट स्टोरीज सो यू कैन गेट द बुक एंड यू कैन बाय इट और यू कैन और इट इज इवन अवेलेबल ऑन किंडल and on Flipkart as well, so you can see it over there.
Thank you so much, Kavya. We'll surely do that. और एकांश, आपकी बुक्स
And
कहाँ से मिल
now-
सकती है?
एकांश, यस, आप थोड़ा संभालोगे सब लोग तो मैं डाउनलोड कर लेती हूँ वीडियो. मुझे इट विल टेक 2 minutes फॉर मी, राइट?
Yeah,
तो
yeah,
प्लीज
sure.
आप कंटिन्यू करें एंड ओवर टू यू आप सबको. ओके, प्लीज डू.
Thank you. So Ekansh, where can we find your books from?
Well, I've published my books only on Kindle, unfortunately. So if you type Clue Hunters on Kindle, then both of the books will come.
Okay, so we can read it on Kindle, right?
Yes.
Great, great. So which class are you in, kids? Kavya and Ekansh?
We both are in same class,
Which standard, I mean?
fifth
Wow.
grade.
Great. Young authors of the new generation, right? Very good, very good. So what other things you do, Ekansh and Kavya, except
Well,
doing the art and writing?
mostly I just read books
Good.
on Kindle, and I have all of these books, so I read those also. And then other than that, I just do classes. And I go down with
Good. So over to you, Bhavisha.
Okay, so it will take another 2 minutes. I'm downloading the video. Okay, so Purti, आप और भी कोई आर्ट के बारे में, काव्या आपको इसमें क्या लग रहा है? Can you, मतलब I mean आपके accordingly what is the freedom? है ना, आज बुक डे है, so अभी हम जैसे नेक्स्ट कुछ सेलिब्रेट करेंगे जैसे, है ना? So आपकी कोई स्टोरी में ऐसा कुछ है जिसमें मतलब फ्रीडम रिलेटेड हो, जैसे कुछ, है ना? और काव्या ये सब कितना अच्छा बनाया है ना, इसमें बहुत सुंदर सुंदर है ये सारा.
हाँ, ये नेवर सीज में है ना.
हाँ, सो इसके बारे में कुछ बताओ ना. आई मीन कितना अच्छा टाइटल है ये, बहुत अच्छा टाइटल
नेवर
है.
ये इसमें भी मैं स्पेशल इनवाइट हूँ और मुझे इसकी इलास्ट्रेशन और इसकी जो कॉपी है वो बहुत पसंद आई. I just
कैमरे के सामने आओ. Come on.
लेकिन ये बहुत ही हार्ड भी है, बट इट्स कवर आई नाइस एंड इट्स really beautiful and the illustrations that are drawn in it वो भी बहुत ही अच्छा, वो भी मुझे बहुत पसंद आए हैं. मैं आपको अपनी स्टोरी के एक इलास्ट्रेशन दिखा. एक सेकंड. ये Can you can you see it? Hello.
Okay.
आप मुझे सुन पा रहे हैं?
Yes, Kavya.
Uh,
Yes, Kavya.
and rather than drawing and writing, I even do the cube. I do the cube practice, and I exercise and go to the park as well.
Can't you write only specific stories or all kind of stories? What kind of stories do you write? Unmute yourself.
करिए.
Ekansh.
We can't hear you, I can't.
No, we can't hear you.
Now,
Yes, now we can hear you.
okay. So both of the books that I've written are mainly focused on mystery and suspense,
Oh,
two of the favorite genres that I like to read about. So there are two mysteries, one neat book. So that's
that's nice.
Also, I am in two of the reading clubs, Bookies Reading Club and News Shuttles Reading Club. That and I and there is even an app where you can find a lot of stories in free, and you can read them, which is once. I forgot the app's name, but yes, you can find a lot of stories. I'll try and find that app's name as well. And also, I have read a lot of books online as well. And there is one more book I would like to share, which is Genie on a Holiday. It's it has a lot of funny scenes, and it even gives us a moral that we should not use plastic, and we should use paper bottles or make paper things at home, and use paper for good as well. So I even love this book, and I would even suggest this book for a lot of kids, as it's thin, and it does not have heavy words.
So it's easy to read and absorb, right?
Excellent. So
Yes.
I received Purti's video, but I am not able to download it. But
Oh,
yes,
that's
मैंने वो
okay.
रखा है, and I am enjoying the music. आपको भी शायद I mean हम
थोड़ा
देखो
सा आवाज
music
आ रहा
सुनाई
था.
दे.
Yeah.
Can you hear? So that's Purti is playing this instrument, and definitely कोई है ना, अमेजिंग है ना वॉइस साउंड. So this is the difficult instrument जो कुर्ती को आता है. Very nice, amazing. Okay, fine. So बहुत ही टैलेंटेड आप सब है, एंड मुझे आप सबसे इंस्पिरेशन मिल रही है कि मैं भी कुछ सितार बजाऊं और बुक भी लिखूं, बट देखती हूँ मैं कब कर सकती हूँ. या मैं तबला अच्छा बजाती हूँ और पियानो अच्छा
Wow.
बजाती हूँ. आई लव इट. एंड कथक में भी मैंने विशारद करा है,
अरे
और राइटिंग में भी हम कोशिश कर सकते हैं. अब काव्या और एकांश और पूर्ति मुझे इंस्पायर कर रहे हैं, है ना. सो वेरी नाइस काव्या, कीप इट अप. एकांश, सबको बेस्ट ऑफ लक. एंड आज का दिन बड़ा हमें अच्छा लगा कि आज हम बुक रीडर्स डे मना रहे हैं, है ना. एंड आज से मैं नया कुछ और भी बुक्स रीड करना शुरू करूंगी.
Thank you, Kavya, for suggesting such amazing books for kids. I have kids at my home. I would definitely buy it for them.
क्या बात है, दैट्स ग्रेट. और कभी बर्थडे में भी ये सारी बुक्स गिफ्ट कर सकते हैं. अभी हमें जो भी सुन रहे हैं, अगर आपको पूर्ति का जो आर्ट वर्क है उसको अगर आपको किसी को गिफ्ट करना है, या तो किसी को अगर आपको कुछ परचेस करके मतलब रिटर्न गिफ्ट में भी है, तो ये कस्टम गिफ्ट भी पूर्ति बना सकती है. सो प्लीज डू कनेक्ट ऑन हर वेबसाइट. मैं इसमें कमेंट में पूर्ति का वेबसाइट भी कर दूंगी. काव्या की भी जो बुक्स है वो अमेज़न का लिंक भी काव्या यू नीड टू पोस्ट ओवर हियर, है ना, इन अ कमेंट. एंड एकांश आपका भी कहाँ से कैसे परचेस करें ये सब आपको तीनों को खुद ही कमेंट में पोस्ट भी करना है, और मैं भी करूंगी. राइट, करेंगे सब लोग.
Yes, sure.
इट्स गुड टू शेयर ना, बिकॉज जब आप शेयर करते हैं बाकी लोगों को इंस्पायर करते हैं, है ना. सो जरूर, क्योंकि अभी जो लॉकडाउन टाइम रहा तो उसमें सबसे ज्यादा अच्छी बात यही हुई ना, हमारा इंटेलेक्चुअल डेवलपमेंट. और इंटेलेक्चुअल डेवलपमेंट हम अपने में इन्वेस्ट करें टाइम, लाइक राइटिंग, रीडिंग बुक्स, प्लेइंग म्यूजिक, म्यूजिक.
और बुक रीडिंग से बुक रीडिंग स्क्रीन देखने से भी अच्छी होती है, बिकॉज इट डज नॉट इम्पैक्ट आवर आईज बट इंक्रीजेस आवर लिटरेचर एंड ग्रामर एंड इंग्लिश एज वेल.
यस. एंड वन मोर अनाउंसमेंट, जिसे हम ट्री प्लांटेशन करते रहते हैं रेगुलरली बच्चों के लिए, बच्चों के साथ. सो आप सब जुड़े रहे हमारे साथ, बिकॉज जो ट्रीज है ना, वो हमें इंस्पिरेशन देते हैं कि हमें क्या लिखना है. काफी बार हम बाकी जो एनिमल्स है ट्रीज में जो रहते हैं, सब कुछ छोटे छोटे बर्ड्स है, ट्रीज के अंडर में एनिमल्स, बीहाइव्स होते हैं, बहुत कुछ होता है. सो नेचर से हमें इंस्पिरेशन मिलती है सबसे ज्यादा. आजकल सारे बुक्स टेक्नोलॉजी बेस्ड होने लगे हैं, बट नहीं, एनिमल्स बेस्ड की जो बुक, जो रीडिंग में जो मजा आती है ना, इनोसेंटली जो आप लिखते हैं उसमें जो मजा होती है, वो मजा उसमें कहाँ जो टेक्नोलॉजी वाले सब चीज में होती है. राइट.
Exactly.
इस टेक्नोलॉजी का सही उपयोग कर सकते हैं, जैसे अभी हम मीटिंग में कर रहे हैं, है ना. सो हमें दोनों स्किल को मतलब मर्ज करना है. अपना जो स्ट्रॉन्ग हमारा जो स्किल है, ट्रेडिशनल स्किल्स एंड टेक्नोलॉजी भी, नॉन ट्रेडिशनल स्किल्स, लाइक राइटिंग भी करनी है और ईमेल्स भी करने हैं, है ना. रीडिंग भी करनी है एज वेल एज लिसन भी करना है, बट सबको बैलेंस करना है. तो बुक भी रीड करें एज वेल एज ऐसे मीटिंग भी करते रहे काव्या के साथ, एकांश के साथ, पूर्ति के साथ. एंड और कोई मैसेज देना चाहोगे काव्या सबको बिफोर वी रैप अप दिस? आई मीन आप बता सकते हैं कुछ भी?
I even wanted to tell that when you like a story is not only like based on something that fiction or something, but even जैसे हमने कहा that when you see a bird in trees तो अच्छा लगता है, so that can also be converted into stories, because I have even read some books which are like real life stories. Even Ruskin Bond writes those stories about that child, about his childhood. The meeting pool was even a story about his childhood, and then when he grew up and friendship and all that. So even we can write stories about that.
सो एकांश देखो यहाँ पर देखो, पूर्ति स्माइल कर रही है, मैं भी स्माइल कर रही हूँ, काव्या भी स्माइल कर रही है, आप भी थोड़ा स्माइल करो, अच्छा लगेगा। एकांश या ओके है ना, जब हम स्माइल करते हैं, लाफ करते हैं, अच्छा नहीं लगता? एकांश बताओ बेटा। यस राइट, बिग स्माइल, आई मीन लाफ करना है, राइट एकांश?
Yes.
आपके टीथ दिखने चाहिए, यस राइट। नहीं तो हम क्या बोलते पता है, हमने एक स्टोरी थी, हम उसमें बोलते थे कि चूहा है ना, उनके दांत कुतर गया है, बिकॉज वो हंसते ही नहीं है। तो जो लोग हंसे नहीं ना, उनको हमें ये बोलना है आपके क्या दांत चूहा कुतर गए, इस तरह की कहानी है हमारे उसमें एक। तो मैं छोटी थी ना, तो मैंने ये कहानी पढ़ी थी, तो तब से मैं आई कीप ऑन स्माइलिंग, मैंने बोला अब स्माइल करते रहते हैं। ओके सो सब बस ऐसे ही स्माइल करते रहो, हैप्पी रहो, है ना? एंड फिर हम कभी मिलेंगे इंडिपेंडेंस डे पे, राइट काव्या?
Yes.
बुलाओगे ना हमें, फिर से बुलाओगे ना काव्या? we would love to be with you again and again. Okay, so एकांश आप कुछ मैसेज देना चाहोगे बेटा? आप कुछ मैसेज देना चाहोगे सबको? कुछ देना है मैसेज आपको? कुछ बताना चाहोगे?
No, not any specific message.
Okay,
for them.
एक मैसेज तो दे दो, सबको बोल दो कीप रीडिंग बुक्स,
Okay.
बता दो, है ना? यस हाँ, अब मैंने आपके टीथ देख लिए, अभी आपने स्माइल करा, यस। एकांश यस यस प्लीज प्लीज, और एक मैसेज सोचो, या एक
Kids
मैसेज,
read books.
या
They
एक और मैसेज, एक वन मोर मैसेज सोचो और सबको बताओ, अपने फ्रेंड्स को एक मैसेज दो, बिकॉज वो आपका वीडियो देखने वाले हैं।
Okay.
यस यस, हम आपको ऐसे ही नहीं जाने देंगे।
So we should keep reading books. It sharpens our mind, does mind at all, and they are not any negative effects of reading books, and they will help us a lot later on.
वेरी ट्रू, है ना काव्या? सो चलो सब, पूर्ति आप कुछ बताना चाहोगे? वन लाइन, वन वर्ड मैसेज।
Any message, Pooty? One message for everyone.
I like it to everybody and be nice. Be disciplined with the Pacific one and all this. I mean, thank you for everything.
I think
Excellent.
everybody should be positive. Positive is the essence of life.
Yeah, it
Excellent.
is that is my life. I always be feeding and laugh and toy and be different laughs. I always the children I've seen like me and promise share everything.
I'm so glad. Beautiful message, wonderful. So keep writing and keep playing music and keep learning new things, and yes,
Thank you for inviting us, Bhavisha.
थैंक यू फॉर बीइंग विथ अस काव्या, है ना? हमें अच्छा लगा ना,
Yes.
न्यू फ्रेंड्स हमें मिलते हैं, सो थैंक यू ऑल
It's very
एंड
nice meeting all of you, Kavya and Ekansh.
Thank
The
you.
participation for PTC cover and Akash participation in the future.
Wishing God bless Kavya and Ekansh in future.
क्या बात है, थैंक यू